We're writing the IUPAC name of the structure and we're having a condensed structure here. So firstly, let's number. The triple bond should get the lowest numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have an attachment which is like this. If I draw it separately here, just for our understanding, we number it 1, 2, 3. 3 is a propane group, and since it's in the ring form, we can name this as cyclopropane. This is a cyclopropane attachment here. So the naming for this compound becomes 3-cyclopropyl, and the triple bond is at the first carbon, so hex 1 ine. That's the name of the compound, 3-cyclopropyl hex 1 ine. The next compound here is this. We follow the same method. We give the double bond the lowest numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we number it from this side also, it will be 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from both places the double bond gets number 3. So I'll follow this particular order. The attachment here, which is the methyl group, gets number 3 because of that particular order. So the name of the compound becomes 3-methyl. It's a 6 carbon compound, so hexane. So hex dash 3 dash ene. 3-methyl hex 3-ene. The next compound here, this one. So here the parent group, the parent carbon group is a benzene group. So we will number it here alphabetically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So chloro gets first numbering and then comes nitro. The name of this compound will become 1-chloro 2,4 dinitro benzene. 1-chloro 2,4 dinitro benzene. That's the name for this particular compound. The next one here. Here the parent chain is hexane, cyclohexane. There are 6 carbon here, 5, 6. So 6 carbon here, cyclohexane. We have 3 attachment, methyl, ethyl and propyl. So alphabetically also, when we number, ethyl should get the first order, first preference. So 1 ethyl, 1 methyl, 2 propyl and it's 6, so cyclohexane. 1 ethyl, 1 methyl, 2 propyl, cyclohexane. So in this question, this becomes the parent chain and this, the benzene here, becomes the substitute. So whenever we have benzene as a substitute and not the main compound, we name it as phenyl. So if I number this would become 1, 2, 3 and 4, since we have 2 carbon here, and this will become 5. So the compound would become 5-phenyl. The first carbon has a double bond, so pent 1-ene. 5-phenyl pent 1-ene. That would be the name for this particular compound.